No, they do. That's how they do business.
No. Niguo maundu mauma hindi ya gikaro gia kamiti ya bunge igie guthurima mathabu ma muingi PIC riria munene wa muikariri giti wa kiama kia Jubilee David Murathe kuhungagwo mahuri ni kamiti no iguru rigie ngukumio ya shiringi bilioni 4 ya KEMSA iria akuruhanitio nayo.
Why am I here? Actually, that is what I cannot understand.
No, Mr. Murathe. No, Mr. Murathe.
Urugari ukiambatira na njira nene hindi ya gikaro giki, bunge ya makienda tarĩrie na kinyi uria hutanitie na kambuni ya Kilig iria gutwikaga ni iketi ihoya ria kuheo kandarathi ya kurehe matonyo udumwe na mask riria king'uki gia COVID-19 kiingirire guku bururi-ini.
There was no delivery. There was no invoicing.
No,
there
actually,
was no
no
payment. That question is actually superfluous.
No.
Did you supply to KEMSA? Did you get a tender worth 4 billion?
No. There's no contract. There's no procurement. There's no invoicing. There's no delivery. There's no payment.
Agitetera na njira nene mbere ya kamiti no Murathe niaugire niarikanirie na kambuni ino tene kuona we arihota murugamiriri wa guteithiriria ciangi guku akihithuria gutiri na ndururu arihirwo ni ruhonge rwa KEMSA.
They think I am a COVID billionaire.
And I've indicated here, I need to protect him. That's honorable members.
As Parliament, you should be helping this country deal with the pandemic. No procurement process began. Period.
Kambuni ino ya Kilig yahetwo kandarathi ya shiringi bilioni 4 kurehe matonyo ma kwigitira corona 450. Murathe akiuga gukuranio gwake na ngukumio ino ni gwa kuhaka ritwa riake ndoro.
Find out who are the signatories of that committee. And you will find that they are known business associates of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Hold on.
Ihinda-inĩ riu ameba kamiti no ni monekire gukanirira o ene ndeto iria yakiriirio ni mirugamo yao ya kiuteti. Amwe ameba reme kuruhanagia na kieleweke makioneka gukorwo na murugamo muororo kuri Murathe guko nao areme kuruhanagia na tangatanga magiikia migwe yao.
Myself trending that I'm defending Honorable Murathe. The reason why I'm doing it, Chairman, is because Honorable Murathe was never given a tender worth 4 billion and they never supplied. So there was no 4 billion money involvement. Chair, these are Tanga people.
Whatever they are, Babu.
A point of order.
No, there's nothing out of order.
We cannot trivialize this issue.
I need you to answer this question.
Murathe aria kinye mbere ya kamiti no muthe wa kana kiumia kihituku idia gituma maratathi ma gwetetera na kuyeherania na ngukumio ino.
This is we'd like to finalize on.
Ona kuri uguo Wilbrod Gachoka noria ni umwe wa ene kambuni ino ya Kilig ni umana hinda irito gweteithura kumana na ngukumio ino ya bilioni 4 guku akiuga acokire kwendia kambuni ino thikũ 6 thutha wa kwamũkĩra marũa ma kũheo kandarathi ino. Kiribotera Kameme TV retora kwa neno gari wa Kamau.